Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 9 mathematics. We will continue exercise 2.5. In my previous video I have to solve question up to question number 9. Now today we will start from question number 10. As we know student, the cube of a cube plus b cube, we can write in the factorial order a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube we can write in factorial order a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, now the first question is, as the instruction is given here, factorize. In question number 10 the instruction is factorize, and the first question is 27y cube plus 125z cube. Okay, now first we write in the form of cube. So we 27y cube we can write in the form of 3y whole cube, and 125z cube we can write the cube of 5z. Okay students, now let's consider the 3y as a and the 5z as b. Then in factorial order how we can write the a cube plus b cube, a plus b into a square plus b, minus b square minus ab and then plus b square. Okay students, now on the place, whatever the place of a, we are going to replace with, what is the value of a here? 3y. So we are going to replacing the position of a with 3y, also making the square of 3y here. Take it a curly bracket. Okay, again here a, so here we have to write 3y. Now all the places of b we have to replace with 5z. So here we are replacing with 5z. Also here 5z into 5z, and here the square of 5z. Okay student, so the factorial order of 27y cube plus 125z cube is 3y plus 5z. What is the square of 3y? 9y square. 3 5s are 15yz plus 25z square. Similarly, in question number 2 student, it is given here 64m cube minus 343n cube. First we write this question in the form of cubes. So we can write it, the cube of 4m, 64 m cube can be written in the form of 4m whole cube, and 343n whole cube can be written the whole cube of 7n. Okay, now we have to write in factorial order. Consider it a and consider it b. So what is the factorial order of a cube minus b cube? A minus b, then a square plus ab plus b square. Now the student, all a we are comparing with 4m and all b we are comparing with 7m. So whatever the position of a, we are going to exchange with 4m, and here also 4m. Now we have to exchange the position of 7n with b. So here 7n, again here 7n, and again here 7n. Now we are solving it. 4m minus 7n. What is the square of 4m? 16m square. 7 4 is 28 mn, and the square of 7 9 is 49 n square. That is the factorial form of 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. Okay student, now the next question is here 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz, that we have to factorize here. So but before that we are going to clean it. In question number 11 it is given that factorize, but before going to factorize this question, the question is here 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. before going to factorize this question, students, one thing I want to share you. I had already learned you in my live class what is the formula of how we can write in factorial form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. That I already learned you in my live class. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc we can write as a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Okay. Now, what is the cube of 27x cube? We can write in the form of 3x whole cube. Y cube we can write in the form of y whole cube. And z cube we can write in the form of z whole cube minus 3xy and z. Okay? Any confusion, student? Actually, I think something is missing in question. Yeah, here it is given 9xyz. So 9xyz you can write in the form of 3 into 3x into y into z. Okay. Now the same here, students. A cube plus b cube plus c cube as is given in the question minus 3abc. So this one we have to consider as a, this one we have to consider as b, and this one we have to consider as c. So what is the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc? The formula is a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Okay, friend? Now, whatever the position of a, we are going to replace with 3x. So, all the position of a, we are going to replace with 3x. All the position of a, we are going to replace with 3x. Okay. Now b, what is the value of b here? Y. So all the position of b we are going to replacing with y. And what is the value of c? Z. So whatever the positions of c we are going to replace with z. Now we have to solve the student here. 3x plus y plus z. Now solve the square of 3x. The square of 3x is 9x square. The square of y is y square, and the square of z is z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. So 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz minus 9xyz we can write in the form of, in the factorial form of 3x plus y plus z into 9x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus 3zx. Whenever you have to solve such type of question, this identity you have to always keep in your mind. Okay, this identity you have to keep in your mind. Okay, friend. Now we are moving on next question, question number 12. But before that we have to clean it. In question number 12, student, it is given that verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z under big bracket x minus y whole square, y minus z whole square, and z minus x whole square. As we know, student, we can write here, we know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz we can write in the form of x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay students, now if we are dividing the whole term by 2 and multiplying the also whole the term with 2, then 2 both cancel each other and the value is same. So we are writing here 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z, and the whole term we will multiply with 2. 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Okay students, 1 by 2 x plus y plus z. Now student, we are taking x square from here, 1x square, and 1y square from here, and we are taking minus 2xy. Now here 1y square we have taken here, 1y square is remaining. So here we are adding here y square, taking 1z square from here, and here minus 2yz. Again 1z square is remaining here. We are taking 1z square, the remaining 1x square, and minus 2zx. So 1 by 2 x plus y plus z into, what is the full form of x square plus y square minus 2x square? We can write here a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x minus y whole square. What we can on the term of this identity? Y minus z whole square. And what we can write on this term? Z minus x whole square. Through this way we are getting the value, the RHS verified. Okay student, now rest of the question student of this exercise we will solve in my next video. Thank you students.